Episode is about how to start a window cleaning business right now, today, um, with very little to start. So this is pretty much how I started my business. So it's pretty much the same thing you guys can replicate. Some of these things I didn't buy initially, but it did help out a lot once I did have it. So check it out. So according to with this, just this card alone, it's about $200. So again, some of these things you don't need. Some stuff I bought later, and I reinvested the money. So to start off with, I bought this 12-foot telescopic pole, so I could do commercial work. $30. I bought the 6 gallon heavy duty bucket, $20. These aren't the ones I bought, but this is the only thing I can find that I can pick up right now for the purpose of this video. So I did get an 18-inch squeegee. So this one is an 18-inch with the easy change. With it also comes with a 12-inch squeegee. So this will save you a little bit of money here. So if you don't mind switching out the channel, so $40 right there for your squeegee. This scraper here, I didn't buy this till later once I felt comfortable doing it, but I don't recommend you buy a scraper, do anything scraping wise, just because it's gonna, you don't want that kind of liability when you're starting out. Let's just remove that. And then I bought an 18-inch squeegee as well, not this exact one, but just an 18-inch scrubber. So that's $21. If you already have soap at home, just take some from home, but some Dawn soap. I didn't buy these towels either because I already had towels. They're cheaper at Costco, so I would probably just go to Costco and buy those towels if you have it. But if you don't, 16 by 16 is a good size. $10 for 24. It's pretty good. Glass cleaner spray. You don't need this. I use this to do touch-ups. Like, for whatever reason, I can't get that window clean properly, so I'll hit it with some glass cleaner. And then I didn't buy this. Again, I bought this later, but this pouch really helps out. $25 for that pouch. You can hold your towels in. If you saw my truck video on how I set up my tool belt, this is the one I use. Right here I put the little squeegee in there and stuff like that. So yeah, $163. Again, it could be more or less. This is just on their website, on what I saw. Oh, this is probably why it's probably more expensive. So 2 on there. So 143 again. Most of this stuff I bought separately. Like, I didn't buy this when I first started. I bought this later. When I first started, if you want to see what I actually paid for when I first started, let's go with that. I didn't buy soap. Didn't buy towels. Didn't buy that. I didn't buy that. So when I first started, yeah, that's pretty much what I paid. $25, $75. So this is what when I first started my first job, I got. So I went out and bought all this the night before, and I practiced at night, and yeah, so got the job done, no problem. So yeah, so $75 is really your starting price. It's not going to cost you that much. Again, I made that back on that first job, and then I was making profit the second job. So yeah, so that's pretty much what I would recommend you get started. Like, if you just want to start, just start, because I already had a bucket, I already had towels. The only thing I needed was this stuff right here. The other thing that will really help out if you buy it is the XERO Sidekick. This one right here, I bought this like a month later. You have no idea how much this helps. So I would buy this again. It was probably cheaper when I bought it, but it was $30. But yeah, so that's pretty much how you can get started. What you need, what you gotta go buy. Eventually, like, you'll buy more stuff as you progress, but to just get started, the bare bones stuff, you just need a bucket. These 3 things right here. You don't even need the scope if you're not gonna do commercial work. If you're just gonna do 1-story houses, you don't even need that. But if you're gonna do 2-story houses and you don't want to use a ladder, you'll need this. And then you'll also, that's pretty much it. And then, just like I said, cold call people, email people, go walk into stores, walk into businesses, go door knocking. And yeah, it's not that difficult on how to get started. If you want Unger, you go to Home Depot. If you want XERO, you go to Lowe's. So they both sell the opposite stuff. So yeah, I personally started with Unger just because Home Depot there's more Home Depots than there is Lowe's near me, and Home Depot was the closest store, so that's why I started with Unger. Right now I'm really messing with XERO stuff. So, but yeah, so there'll be more stuff that you can buy. But if you want to get started right now, just start making some money. $75 is what it's gonna cost you. So less than 100 bucks, depending if you have certain stuff or not. But yeah, so that's pretty much how you get started. If you like this video, give me a like, subscribe, more content coming. All right, till next one, peace.